Hello, my name is Rahafmala. Today I'll want take about check sheets. Check sheets is one of the qualities control tools, also called defect concentration diagram. A check sheet is a structured, prepared form for collecting and analyzing data. This is a generic data collection and analysis tool that can be adapted for a wide variety of purposes and is considered one of the 7 basic quality tools. Check sheet CGR. Decide what event or problem will be observed. Develop operational definitions. Decide when data will be collected and for how long. Design the form. Set it up so that data can be recorded simply by making check marks or X's or similar symbols. And so that data do not have to be recopied for analysis, label all spaces on the form. Test the check sheet for a short trial period to be sure it collects the appropriate data and is easy to use. Each time the targeted event or problem occurs, record data on the check sheet. Check sheet example. The figure below shows a check sheet used to collect data on telephone interruptions. The tick marks were added as data was collected over several weeks.
Thanks for listening to my video.